All right, how you doing today? Today we'll be taking a look at the vocal database Sheena from Dreamtonics. This is for the Synthesizer V Studio. I have a bunch of other videos that you can check out, tutorials and other vocal modes of other singers, so you can check those out, links down below. So we're going to go through the vocal modes here of Sheena. Let's just get right into it. Let's go. All right, so here we have the default mode, and we can make adjustments here as well. There are some other parameters we could go through here. Gender, breathness, tension, tone shift, and all that fun stuff. We'll explore that later. Right now, we'll just go through the presets here. The default, soft, clear, chest, and tense. Let's just check this out.
Those things aren't true. What they say about me, what they say about you. Those things aren't true. What they say about me, what they say about you. They like to lie, they like to lie, they like to lie, they like to lie, hide away when they get found out.
So pretty cool. And then we got the soft. And by the way, this is just running through the Xvox plugin for vocal effects, compression, EQ, and so on and so forth, reverb, and delay.
Those things aren't true. What they say about me, what they say about you. Those things aren't true. What they say about me.
So pretty cool. The clear mode.
Those things aren't true. What they say about me, what they say about you.
Chest.
Those things aren't true. What they say about me, what they say about you. Those things aren't true.
And then we have the tense.
Those things aren't true. What they say about me, what they say about you. Those things aren't true. What they say about me, what they say about you. They like to lie, they like to lie.
So pretty cool. You get a different flavor of the different modes here. And then of course we can adjust these to taste as well. Let's just try a little bit of shifting of the gender here, if you will.
Those things aren't true. What they say about me, what they say about you.
Little goes a long way with this.
Those things aren't true. What they say about me, what they say about you.
Set that back to 0. Try some breathiness.
Those things aren't true. What they say about me.
Let's try that on the soft. Get nice, soft, and breathy.
Those things aren't true. What they say about me.
Now you might want to adjust your EQs and stuff.
Those things aren't true. What they say about me, what they say about you. Those things aren't true. What they say about me, what they say about you. They like to lie, they like to lie, they like to lie, they like to lie, hide away when they get found out.
So that's pretty cool. Hours of fun. You could sit here and create your vocal tracks with Synth V, and if you have the Xbox Pro, you could use many other vocal effects if you don't have this plugin. Anyways, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Check out my other videos. I'm going to play around with this a little bit more, but I'm going to get going here for the video. All right, talk to you soon.